What's up, guys? So today I am going to be making an Among Us emergency meeting button. So I tried to paint it, but it was plastic, so I can't even paint on it. So I decided to. Where's my concrete? I had concrete here before, like the powder. Where is it? Where is it? Where in the world is it, bro? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna just pause. Okay, guys, I found it. So I'm just gonna put this on my table. I don't know what container to put the water in, but I'm actually just gonna do this first. Put that in. Wait, I need to put in some water. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna work. Where's my toy? And where's my toy spoon? Wait, I just realized I have plastic spoons here. Alright. This will do. Sorry for the pause, I already watched it. The reason why this is here because my mama. The reason why I paused and I watched this off camera is because my mama got a delivery. Yeah. I think I'm gonna edit this, yeah. So I'm just gonna. It's already water in there, so I think I'll just. Hold on. Come on! Hold up. Got it. I got it open. Alright, now. I don't think this is enough. But, yeah. Oh my god, that just disintegrates quickly. Is that disintegrate or dissolve? I totally got it! The counter. What the? Looks like it's being devoured. Like something in the water's just dragging it down. Maybe this is good. I don't know. But I'm just stirring it around. I think I need a little bit more water. Hold on. I'll be very careful with this. Because this is really a concrete mixture, so yeah. Just a little bit. Oh my god, that's a lot. Alright, next, just a couple more. It looks so milky. Alright. No, I spilled it! Great. I don't think I want to show the gifts. No, they're not gifts. They're just deliveries. Yeah, I mistake them for gifts. I need to find something that will give me more. Spoon? I left it on. Oh no, I better be quick. Wait. Tell me if I'm wrong, but do I have to pour the concrete powder or the water first? Because I don't think I did it right. I don't know if this is gonna work. Maybe you can need a little bit more concrete powder. Just yeah, this is a lot. Maybe I'll just have like another thing. The real title of this is just me, trying to make an emergency meeting button out of concrete. Really curious because I saw the shape and like I was watching Darman, and then suddenly I found like this thing, and then I decided like push like the emergency meeting. Yeah, that's me when I get an ejection. More like objection. Why do I keep spilling it? I think this is good. I don't know if this is good. I think I need to fill up to this line so that this part can be connected to this. Alright, let me try something. I don't know what to do. Help. I don't know what to do. Do we just burn a cup? Alright, this is good, I guess. Yeah. There. I hope this doesn't turn out good. Hope this turns out good because I kind of want this to like be good. Hope it turns out like good, like really good. Alright, I guess this will do. Maybe in the next video, I'm just gonna give you a next video. But anyways, like and subscribe if you want more videos. I don't know if you can hear my voice throughout the video from the fan to me just doing this. Yeah. Hope you like this. Bye.